Welcome to the Traders Corner, brought to you by the StreetBeat.com CEO interview series. And now your host, Steve Cannavale.
Steve Cannavale here in Traders Corner. Hope you had a great weekend, and we're sponsored by the StreetBeat.com. Thank you so much for listening on this Monday morning. And today we're doing a follow-up and quick talk about Knight trading. Knight in the news last week because of a $440 million error. This is really a SEC reaction to the post-flash crash trade that happened a while back. It's really a testament to how technology is changing and the SEC holding broker firms responsible. I think it's interesting that Knight Trading wound up surviving. I think it would have been very easy for them to have been put away and, tossed behind the barn in the back of the garage somewhere and, into mothballs. But their investors wanted them to survive, and they stepped up to the plate. They got common shares of the stock, which diluted the stock about 70%, which is the reason that it's down today. But this is really not so much about Knight Trading as it is about technology in general for the markets and the regulators holding brokers responsible for, even the wildest execution of trades. You had problems here with execution. They made all the customers good, and it cost the investors, the common share investors, $440 million. Now, that's not going to go away. Trading technology losses will never go away. It's as we've transitioned from open outcry to electronic trading, we're going through the growing pains, and it's the Wild West out there now in terms of multiple broker platforms, but everything will be traded at some point through one kind of common platforms, and things will settle down, and the exchanges will stop being so competitive and be more concerned about trade execution and so on. Regulation for these markets is very difficult. The SEC stepped in and did a good job here. This is Steve Cannavale in Traders Corner. Hope you have a great trading week. Sponsored by the StreetBeat.com on our news site, Expedited.com. Thank you so much for listening.
Stay a beat ahead and get market news you can't get anywhere else by signing up for the StreetBeat.com newsletter on our website. The Traders Corner is a StreetBeat.com production. Thanks for listening.
The StreetBeat.com is a publisher of news and opinions and not a securities dealer or broker or an investment advisor. For a full disclaimer, please see our website, www.thestreetbeat.com.